Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in, and this is an iGyan.in exclusive preview of the Samsung Galaxy Tab. This is a 7-inch diagonal Android tablet device, which is also a smartphone, and it runs Android 2.2 Froyo, and it is yet to be launched in India. The official launch date for this tablet device is November 10th, and we've been able to get a hold of this device, and some interesting features on this device. We'll have a full review for you guys later. I'm just going to quickly give you a tour of the device and show you the similarities and the dissimilarities between this and the iPad. I have the iPad 3G plus Wi-Fi over here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab. First and foremost, the first thing that you'll notice is that the size of the Galaxy Tab is considerably quite smaller to the iPad, and you can see that from both sides. One more thing to notice is that the thickness of both devices is almost the same. The iPad does taper out at the edges, so it looks thinner at the edges, but the thickness of the overall device is almost the same. One big difference in the device is the fact that they have used a plastic shell, whereas the iPad uses an aluminium unibody shell. Other similarities are this is the charger that comes with the Galaxy Tab. Let's take a closer look at this. This is quite similar to the charger that comes with the iPad, and as you can see, both of them use a removable type of plug system, and you get these attachments. Since this is from the US, the iPad has been from the US, so this has the flat pin, but this is a device which is going to be launched in India, so therefore this has the Indian style plug at the end, so which is pretty alright when it comes to this. The size of this adapter, however, is quite large compared to that of the iPad. Also, one more thing to notice is that Samsung has used a very similar type of dock or charging cable, which is very similar to that of Apple products. The iPod, iPhone, all of them use a similar kind of charging cable. But this charging cable does not work on the iPad or the iPhone for that matter, and it does not work with any other Apple device. It is a Samsung proprietary charger. That's probably because they have different pin layout or whatever. So the cable is quite similar to the Apple cable, and also the charger is quite similar to the Apple charger. Apart from that, let's take a closer look at the device. Here you will see at the bottom of the device, we have two speakers, which is quite similar to, say, the iPhone. And as you can see here, let me just remove this bumper. So if you take a look at the bottom of the iPhone and you take a look at the bottom of the Galaxy Tab, you will see that they are quite similar in terms of construction. You have your dual speakers, your dock connector, and two screws, and the similar two screws here with a cover on top. So the screws are not exposed, but the screws are definitely here. On the back of the device, we have the main camera, which is also an autofocus camera. There is also an LED flash, which is also quite similar to the iPhone layout, if you would look at it. The LED diffuser and the camera almost look the same. Let's take a look at the right hand side of the device. We have the SIM tray, which is over here. Let's quickly open that. So the SIM card goes in here. The micro SD card goes in here. This is the volume rocker. The sleep, wake and power button is over here. On the top of the device we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a standard headphone jack which is over here. We have a small tiny mic on the left hand side of the device, and that's it. We have this very glossy chic white back, so that looks really nice. On front of the device you have a front facing camera for video calls. It also works with Skype apparently, and there is also a sensor. We also have the 7-inch diagonal LCD screen, 4 capacitive buttons at the bottom, and let me quickly show you that this device runs version 2.2 of Android. I'll quickly jump into About Phone. And as you can see here, it runs firmware version 2.2. Let's quickly compare the Galaxy Tab to the iPad. And I'll just show you the differences in size. Back of the iPad and the Galaxy Tab. Here they are side by side, and if you would like to look at the top, so there you go guys, this is the Galaxy Tab first look exclusively on iGyan.in. Stay tuned for a full review video and a full write-up review. We'll also have some sample pictures from the camera and a sample video. The Galaxy Tab also makes beautiful panorama pictures, and the accelerometer helps doing that, so we want to test that out. A really cool feature. We'll give you more news on it as we unravel the new Galaxy Tab. This has been Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in, and thank you for watching.